What's going on, everybody? How you doing today? Today we are testing the Shark VACMOP Pro, and we are going to reenact the commercial they have on their website, and I want to see if this thing can really clean up as good as the commercial shows. So I picked out about 7 different messes from the commercial, and I wanted to see if this can do like the commercial or if it struggles. So in just a few minutes I'll play the 1-minute long commercial for you, and then we'll compare my test with the original commercial. So one note I want to say about the commercial that you'll probably notice as well, seems like all the big debris needs to be right in the middle of its path, because that's where the biggest inlet nozzle is for the vacuum suction. Another thing I want to note real quick is the Spaghettios with sauce there at the top. On the video, to me, it looks like they watered them down and basically made the sauce almost disappear. Because as you can see, if this was just a normal spill from the bowl, it's a lot thicker, and obviously it's gonna be a lot harder to clean up. All right, let me go ahead and play the clip for you guys real quick. Try to remember what you see, and then when I do my test, I'll try to tell you if it is as good or worse than the commercial shows. Going to start with the dry stuff, and then we'll move on to the wet stuff, and we will see if it's as good as it shows. I think it's actually going to do a really good job. I think with having this many wet messes, I may have to swap the pad and container out once. And yeah, let's get this test going. Do me a big favor, guys. If you like this at all, please smash that like button, subscribe. Got a lot more tests coming. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything else with this guy. And just a quick reminder, I'm doing a giveaway at 10,000 subs. It's going to be either 1 or 2 robot vacuums, probably 2. So your odds will be pretty decent to get one of those. All you have to do is subscribe, like a video, and put in a comment. All right, let's go ahead and start with the coffee grounds and the beans. Simply squeeze this lever, it'll activate the vacuum. And then there's a push spray button on the top you hit for the spray. We're not going to use that obviously on the dry stuff. We'll probably have to use that when we get to the Spaghettios. So here we go. Let's see how well it does. It's very good. It's actually a pretty dang strong suction for such a small unit. As you saw, the coffee beans and the coffee sucked up no issue whatsoever. Piece of cake, great suction so far on this thing. Now let's move on to something bigger. Instead of the walnuts like you see in the video, I'm going to use Fruit Loops because I don't have any walnuts here. So it's about the same size, and we'll see how easily it can handle bigger debris. No problem whatsoever. Next we're going to move over to another dry area. This is some contents I had from a robot vacuum. So it has fruity pebbles, some dust, probably some hair and other stuff. And it should suck this up once again with no issue whatsoever. I must say the vacuuming power on this is excellent. All right, next up is just a simple wet spill. This is apple juice. There's no sense in spraying or using the vacuum right now, so just go ahead and see how quickly it absorbs it. And then once I actually pass it, I'll go ahead and give it a quick spray. That way it'll get rid of the stickiness. And then we'll move on to probably the cereal and the milk. So definitely a little bit slower absorption than the video shows. The video kind of shows them just running over it really quick, and it's just absolutely getting rid of all the spill, but it's kind of pushing it more than it is absorbing it. So it definitely doesn't absorb as good as the video shows. However, if I go slow and give it another maybe 10 seconds, it's gonna absorb it all. But not as good as I thought. I thought this was gonna suck this up with no problem at all, but as you can see, definitely slow. Let's see if having the vacuum motor on helps suck up the water at all. Oh wow, okay, I didn't expect that. So the vacuum actually helps pull in the water. Let's see if a little bit more right there with the vacuum on. Interesting, okay. So the vacuum motor actually helps suck up the water, which is really nice. And then there's a little spray nozzle here. And that's going to help get rid of the stickiness. Alright, very cool. I did not expect that. Next up, we're doing the bowl of cereal that your kids spilled. And typically this wouldn't be a very fun mess to clean up with a napkin. It's going to take a little longer than a typical mess. You can just grab this guy, pull the trigger, and let's see how well it does. It is struggling a bit with the wet. That's the problem here, because if you look in the commercial, go back, you can see they have the dry cereal and then a tiny bit of cereal in the milk. So it does have a little bit of issue once the cereal gets soggy. So yeah, once it gets soggy, it's definitely having issues picking it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to unload this really quick. Super simple, you push one button and this will fall right into your trash can if you're doing it over that. And I'm gonna go ahead and swap out this pad and we'll get up the Spaghettios first and then the confetti with a little bit of water behind it. So this is very cool. You literally squeeze this and that drops into your trash can. Ooh, that's actually a lot more wet under there than I expected. Okay, well, this is why I'm doing this video. Not something I would have expected, but the pad doesn't hold quite as much liquid as I would have thought. So let me go and grab a new one and we will continue this test. I got a brand new pad and container for all the debris. So very easy to pop on. Just grab your pad, click it over here, and click it into place. Now you're good to go. This is ready to go until you pop it off. So let's move over to the Spaghettios, and as you can see, it's actually quite messy if you have a decent spill like this did clean up. Typically, you're probably not going to clean up 2 spills like I just did, but as you can see, it definitely doesn't absorb as much as I would have expected. Let me know in the comments if you thought it would drop out this messy or not. On to the Spaghettios. I think this is gonna struggle big time with this. So like I said in the commercial, you can see the spaghetti noodles are kind of like clean, almost like they re-wetted them. And they kind of got rid of all the sauce. So personally, I think to give this thing the best chance to clean this up, I need to squirt it down with a little bit of water and kind of help loosen up that sauce, because I don't think there's any way it's just gonna go over this and suck up those noodles. So I'm gonna give it a quick little squirt. And let's see how it does. I really think this is gonna fail, but let's see. To be completely honest, I am very surprised that that got up almost all of it. You just have to go over it a couple times and kind of aim it towards the middle, and it sucked it up with no issue. Like, wow, I'm actually very surprised. Good job, Shark. And last is a bunch of confetti. This I also thought from the video would be a little bit hard because the pieces are long. So let's take a look and find out. There's a little bit of water at the end. See if we can clean up confetti. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, it didn't stand a chance with that. This is just some of that grass from Easter, which is essentially the same exact thing you see in the video, the confetti. So that was a definite fail. And then the wet cereal, I would say, was a fail. However, the rest of it is pretty good depending on the amount of liquid that was actually spilt. So as you can see, this pad, just from, this is a new pad, remember. So just from the little bit I squirted onto the Spaghettios, and then that little bit of liquid I had sitting there behind the grass was just water, probably an ounce or two. And as you can see, it's not really staying in the mop. Yeah. Definitely did not stand a chance on that. So it's good in certain areas. I will say, like I said, I am surprised at the Spaghettios. It actually did that very well. Absorbing just a small mess of liquid is going to do fine. Cereal is a problem. The confetti is a problem. Anything dry this thing's a great, simple vacuum. So it did very good on everything dry, but the commercial is a little bit misleading on certain things, especially this confetti. It almost didn't get any of it. So kind of disappointed in that. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments if you think this test I did was fair and a good representation of what the commercial showed. I tried to get it as close as I can with what I had here. And overall, I mean, this thing's only $79. Not a lot of money. And if you use it for the right things, it's going to do a very good job. But don't expect it to clean up cereal that's spilled or big pieces of confetti, because it just is not going to do it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked it all, please smash that like button, leave a comment below, and have yourselves an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Peace.